Pricing for installing solar panels involves several factors. Firstly, consider the system size, measured by power output in kilowatts. Larger systems typically cost more overall but may have lower per watt prices. Secondly, labor costs are significant. The skill level and experience of the installers influence these costs. More experienced installers may charge higher rates but complete the job more efficiently. Thirdly, equipment costs include the quality and type of panels, inverters, and other components. High-quality equipment usually has a higher upfront cost but may offer better performance and longer lifespans. Fourthly, permitting and inspection fees are determined by local requirements. These fees vary depending on the location and the complexity of the installation. Fifthly, warranty and maintenance considerations involve the length and coverage of warranties. Longer and more comprehensive warranties add to the initial cost but provide long-term protection. Sixthly, market competition affects pricing. Local supply and demand for solar installations influence the prices installers can charge. Seventhly, profit margin is essential for covering business overhead and achieving the desired profit. Installers must factor in all expenses, including administrative costs, marketing, and insurance, to determine a profitable price. Several pricing models are commonly used. One is per watt pricing. This involves charging a fixed price per installed watt of direct current power output. For example, at $3 per installed direct current watt for a 10 kilowatt system, the total cost would be $30,000. Another model is tiered pricing. This offers different pricing tiers based on system size. For example, Tier 1 for 0 to 5 kilowatt systems might be priced at $3 per watt, while Tier 2 for 5 to 10 kilowatt systems might be priced at $2.50 per watt. A third model is system package pricing. This offers a complete package price that includes all equipment, installation, and labor. For example, $22,000 for a 5 kilowatt system, including panels, inverter, wiring, and labor. The final model is hourly rate. This charges an hourly rate for labor, plus the cost of materials. For example, $75 per hour for labor, plus $1.50 per installed watt for materials. Additional pricing considerations include roof complexity. Additional charges may apply for complex or steep roofs due to the increased labor and safety precautions required. Electrical upgrades might be necessary, and these have costs associated with upgrading electrical panels or wiring to accommodate the solar system. Battery storage introduces additional charges for battery storage systems, which increase the system's overall cost. Also consider any incentives and tax credits that may reduce the cost to the customer. Here's a recommended approach. Firstly, research local market rates and competition to understand the going rates for solar installations in the area. Secondly, determine your desired profit margin by factoring in all business expenses and the profit you want to achieve. Thirdly, use multiple pricing models to accommodate different customer needs, allowing flexibility in your pricing strategy. Fourthly, be transparent and provide clear breakdowns of costs to build trust with customers. Fifthly, offer financing options to make installations more affordable, potentially increasing sales. Here are some example pricing structures. Per watt pricing ranges from $2.75 to $3.25 per installed direct current watt. Tier pricing might be $3 per watt for Tier 1 and $2.50 per watt for Tier 2. System package pricing for a 5 kilowatt system could range from $20,000 to $24,000. Hourly rates may range from $50 to $80 per hour, plus $1.50 to $2 per installed watt for materials.